There are over 150 generative AI features out there.
As expected, the most useful and impactful features are lost in the midst of the hype.
But here's the thing. After testing several AI tools and features this past year, I've discovered that it is not about using more tools. It's about using the right features. Let me share with you 5 generative AI use cases you should be using right now. These aren't just random features. They are game changers that will help you get the best from AI this year. And stick around until number 5, because that use case alone is a big success factor in this age. Welcome back. Let's go straight to number 1 feature, Claude Artifact. For someone like me who struggles with front-end development, this is a game changer. Claude's Artifact lets you see your code come to life real time. Check this out. I want to create a simple AI readiness assessment tool. It's just proof of concept. I have my questions, categories, and scoring mechanism. Let's see what Claude will create. I am not into software engineering, but I have ideas running through my mind. Watching Claude write the code gives me a feeling of being a creator. I know that I need to understand how these things work. For a very long time, my ideas have suffered implementation because I had no skill to take them to the next level. With Claude AI, I can push it beyond just staying in my head to something I can actually see. What? I can't believe what I'm saying right now. Let's go ahead and submit with the default value. This is incredible. Let's return to assessment. Now, I'm going to toggle some of the questions just to check the results. Interesting. I am AI proficient. How about this link? Will it work? Obviously, this is not a web browser and it does not allow redirection. I'm going to refresh and go back to the start page. Even if you are not a developer, you can visualize what your web page will look like. Imagine what you can do with this. I went ahead and deployed this on Azure. If you would like to see the step-by-step guide and the result, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification. Over to number 2, Microsoft Copilot. I mean the consumer version, the one that you and I can actually go to Play Store and download and use daily. Let's start with the daily recap. This feature helps me catch up on my topic of interest with some random fun facts like this.
It's your Copilot Daily for Saturday, January 4th. Here's an interesting fact. Did you know that the fastest circumnavigation of the Earth by bicycle was completed in 78 days, 14 hours, and 40 minutes? Now, let's get into today's stories.
I didn't know that before.
Plug and Charge is a new encryption system set to make public EV charging easier in the US.
Obviously, you now know that I'm interested in EVs. The suggested topics also get personalized the more you use it. I'm interested in traveling lately. Let's check this out. Places for solo travels. Here's the trick. The algorithm understands my interest is traveling. It showed me a related travel topic and create prompt to deliver on the topic. Think of it this way. Rather than taking you to the kitchen to cook, it's offering you a cooked meal that meets your taste. Delicious. I didn't say anything about Africa here. Let's ask using the voice mode.
Hey, Alan Rawaju. How can I dazzle you this evening?
How about Africa?
Sure thing. Want to chat about travel, culture, or maybe some cool facts about African destinations?
Solo travel?
Africa's perfect for solo travel. You've got Marrakesh, Morocco for vibrant markets and rich history, Cape Town, South Africa with stunning landscapes and diverse culture, or Nairobi, Kenya, offering unique wildlife experiences, safe, exciting, and full of adventure.
Anything in Nigeria?
Definitely. Lagos is a buzzing metropolis with vibrant nightlife, art, and music scenes. Abuja, the capital, boasts impressive architecture and parks.
You need to explore this more if you haven't. It's free. Number 3, Perplexity AI. In a world where AI-generated and unverified information is filling everywhere, getting credible information is becoming the new gold. And this is where Perplexity AI comes in for me. One of the most interesting features of Perplexity AI is its ability to provide citations for the information it delivers, allowing users to easily verify the source of the answer and delve deeper into the topic by directly accessing the original source material, essentially making it a more transparent search engine compared to others. Number 4, Gamma app. This app generated presentation using AI and the result blew me away. All it took was just the awareness about the tool. The rest was handled by AI. Let me show you. I summarized one of my resume to 60 words using ChatGPT and fed this into the tool. Proceeded to generate the outline. I made changes, added the new session, and set my preferences. It then prompted me to pick a theme, which I did. Watching live how everything moves fast and the presentation was ready in less than 15 seconds. These two just created a stunning presentation about me. You can even present directly and export the result to PowerPoint presentation. Amazing. If you're enjoying this video and you're learning, make sure you subscribe. Now to number 5. My award for the consumer and most important AI product in 2024 goes to NotebookLM. Kudos to the team that developed this product. While several people hail this product for its ability to generate audio podcasts from blogs, I am particularly impressed by how much this tool supports and aids learning. Learning skills and understanding concepts is now becoming difficult due to so many reasons. But this feature can change the game if you use it. I pasted my note on software development lifecycle. It generated 2 host deep dive conversations on the topic. And the sweet part, I joined the conversation and asked questions. Listen to this.
Welcome back to the deep dive. We're diving deep into software development methodologies today.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, you gave us a ton of sources on it.
Awesome.
All sorts of things: Agile, Scrum, Waterfall, even some use case modeling.
Wow, that's a lot to cover. It's like, oh wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
All right, I just want to ask for clarity. In the age of generative AI, should we go for the agile methodology or the waterfall? Which one would you recommend?
Okay, that's a really insightful question, and it's definitely on a lot of people's minds right now.
It is, yeah. And in the age of generative AI, it does change things.
What's fascinating is that both Agile and Waterfall have their place. It's not a one-size-fits-all.
Okay, so it's not a simple answer.
Not at all. If you're in a situation with clear requirements and they won't change much, Waterfall can still be quite effective.
Okay, but that's rare these days, right?
Yeah, but with AI development, things shift so rapidly that the flexibility of Agile often makes more sense.
With this feature, you can learn a skill and understand concept better. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.